Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix Ring app notifications that aren't working. So first, open the Ring app and make sure notifications are enabled for your Ring device. Then next, open your phone setting and make sure notifications are allowed for the Ring app. Now after that, check that your phone isn't using a mode that blocks notifications such as Do Not Disturb or another kind of focus mode. Then make sure your Ring device is connected to Wi-Fi and appears online in the Ring app. You can also restart the Ring app and your phone and then try again. After that, check the App Store for a Ring app update and install it if one is available. And if notifications still aren't working, then check the notification setting for the specific Ring device. So that was how to troubleshoot Ring notifications in 2026. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.